Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Blush AI Dating Simulator. Blush is an AI-powered dating simulator designed to help users practice relationship skills, flirting, and chatting in a safe and fun environment. It allows players to meet virtual crushes with unique backstories, explore different dating scenarios, and boost confidence while learning what works in real-life interactions. Privacy is a key focus, ensuring interactions remain secure and personal. Let's see its features. Blush offers a variety of engaging features, including gifting options like roses, chocolates, and jewelry to virtual crushes and seasonal content such as Halloween costume try-ons. The app provides hundreds of AI characters for role play and dating practice, allowing users to experiment with different flirting and chatting strategies. It also encourages creativity, self-discovery, and a positive mindset by letting users explore their interests and desires in a respectful and entertaining environment. Here, we will talk about customer reviews. Users appreciate its fun and safe approach to practicing dating skills, the engaging AI interactions, and the confidence boost it provides. Some feedback suggests improvements could be made in the interface or additional content. But overall it is well received for its unique concept and entertainment value. Let's see how to use the app. First, download the app from your Play Store. Then, open the app, and you can tap on Get Started here. Enter your name and create an account to save your progress. You can continue with Google or enter your email address. After that, you can meet an AI-generated character. In the Discover tab, you can find different character types. By reaching the Chat tab, you can start your chat. On the bottom right corner, tap on the Profile tab. It will show you the Blush AI profile. After finding the match, tap on Chat Now. Lastly, you can start a chat with it. Overall, Blush AI is a fun and safe dating simulator that helps users practice flirting, boost confidence, and explore virtual relationships. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.